What if I told you that there are 7 simple but powerful rules that control how women experience love, desire, and deep physical connection? What if the reason most men struggle with keeping passion alive in their relationships has nothing to do with how they look or what they do physically, but everything to do with understanding how a woman's heart and body actually work together? Most men think intimacy is about technique. They think if they just learn the right moves or do the right things physically, everything will be amazing. But here is the truth that most men never discover. A woman's body and her heart are completely connected. You cannot have one without the other. When her heart feels safe and loved, her body opens up completely. When her heart feels uncertain or disconnected, her body closes down no matter what you try physically. Most men miss this completely because nobody ever taught them how women really experience love and physical connection. They learned about the physical side of things, but never understood the emotional and psychological side that actually controls everything for women. The man who truly understands women knows that real intimacy is not a performance. It is not something you do to someone. It is something you create together when both people feel completely safe, completely wanted, and completely free to be themselves. Today I am going to share 7 simple but life-changing laws about love and intimacy that research shows only the most emotionally aware men truly understand. These are not tricks or games. These are genuine truths about how women experience love and physical connection that will completely change how you approach your relationships. Law number 1, make her feel completely safe first. Before anything physical can be truly amazing for a woman, she needs to feel completely emotionally safe with you. This is the most important law of all, and most men completely skip it without realizing it. Think about it this way. A woman's body is connected to her emotions in a very deep way. When she feels safe, loved, and completely accepted, her body naturally relaxes and opens up. When she feels any kind of uncertainty, worry, or emotional distance, her body automatically closes down as a way of protecting herself. This means that the most powerful thing you can do for your intimate relationship has nothing to do with anything physical. It is about creating an environment where she feels completely accepted for who she is, where she knows you will not judge her, and where she trusts that you genuinely care about her feelings. This emotional safety is built through consistent behavior over time. It is built through keeping your promises, being emotionally available when she needs you, listening without judgment, and showing her through your actions every single day that she can trust you completely. When a woman feels this deep level of emotional safety with a man, something beautiful happens. She stops holding back. She stops protecting herself. She allows herself to be completely vulnerable and open in ways that create incredibly deep connection between two people. The depth of physical pleasure a woman can experience is directly connected to how emotionally safe she feels. This is why the same woman can have very different experiences with different partners. It is not about physical technique. It is about emotional safety. Law number 2, let desire build slowly. The second law is about the beautiful power of anticipation and why slowing down always creates more passion than rushing. Most men want to move quickly toward physical intimacy. They think getting there faster is better. But for women, the journey toward intimacy is often just as important as the destination. Sometimes even more important. Think about how a delicious meal feels when you have been looking forward to it all day versus eating something quickly, without thinking about it. The anticipation makes everything taste better and feel more satisfying. The same principle applies to physical intimacy for women. When desire is allowed to build slowly, when there is gentle tension and loving anticipation, the eventual physical connection feels exponentially more intense and satisfying. Her body has had time to fully prepare emotionally and physically. Her mind has been engaged and excited. Everything feels heightened and more powerful. This might mean taking time to really connect emotionally before moving toward physical intimacy. It might mean gentle, loving touches that hint at more without rushing toward it. It might mean meaningful eye contact that communicates desire without grabbing for it immediately. When you learn to let desire build slowly and naturally, you create a quality of intimate experience that most men never achieve because they are always in too much of a hurry to get somewhere rather than enjoying the beautiful journey of getting there together. Law number 3, your presence is more powerful than your technique. The third law might surprise many men because it has nothing to do with what you do physically. It is about who you are emotionally during intimate moments. Your psychological presence, your emotional state, Your level of groundedness and confidence during intimate experiences directly affects how deeply she can experience pleasure and connection. When you are fully present, completely focused on her, and emotionally grounded in your masculine energy, it creates something incredibly powerful between you. Think about what it feels like to be with someone who is completely present with you versus someone whose mind seems to be somewhere else. The difference is enormous. When someone is truly there with you, fully engaged and focused, everything feels more intense and more connected. For women especially, feeling your complete presence during intimate moments is incredibly powerful. She can sense when you are truly there with her versus when you are distracted or mentally elsewhere, and this difference completely changes the quality of her experience. Being truly present means putting aside all distractions, all worries about performance, and all thoughts about anything other than the beautiful person in front of you. It means focusing all of your attention and energy on genuinely connecting with her in that moment. When you are truly present in this way, your presence becomes a gift that allows her to feel deeply seen and deeply desired. And when a woman feels truly seen and desired by a man whose presence she trusts, she can experience depths of connection and pleasure that are genuinely extraordinary. Law number 4, remove all pressure and expectations. The fourth law is about creating complete psychological freedom from performance pressure, and it is one of the most important things you can understand about female sexuality. When a woman senses that you have specific expectations about how she should respond, or when she feels any kind of pressure to perform or respond in particular ways, her nervous system automatically creates barriers that prevent genuine pleasure and connection. She starts monitoring herself, worrying about whether she is responding correctly, and thinking about your expectations rather than simply experiencing the moment. This psychological pressure is one of the biggest hidden reasons why intimate experiences often feel disconnected or unsatisfying, even when both people care about each other. The pressure itself creates a barrier between genuine connection and what is actually happening physically. Removing this pressure means approaching intimate experiences with a completely open and relaxed attitude. It means genuinely not being attached to specific outcomes or responses. It means creating an atmosphere where she knows that whatever happens naturally is completely perfect, and that there are no expectations or grades being given. When a woman feels this complete freedom from pressure, something magical happens. She stops monitoring herself and simply starts experiencing. She stops worrying about your expectations and starts genuinely feeling. And when she is truly free to simply feel without any pressure or judgment, her natural responses become more genuine, more expressive, and more beautiful than anything that could be performed or forced. Law number 5, use your voice to deepen the connection. The fifth law is about the incredible power of authentic vocal expression during intimate moments, and it is something most men never think about. Most men stay completely silent during intimate experiences, thinking that silence is appropriate or that expressing their genuine pleasure through sound would be strange or embarrassing. But this silence actually creates emotional distance and misses one of the most powerful tools available for deepening intimate connection. When you authentically express your genuine pleasure and desire through your voice, whether through words, sounds, or a combination of both, it creates a powerful psychological impact on her experience. She hears and feels your genuine response to being with her, which communicates desire and appreciation in a way that goes straight to her heart. Your genuine vocal expression also gives her permission to be equally expressive. When she hears that you are genuinely experiencing pleasure and connection, it creates safety for her to express her own experience fully rather than holding back or staying silent herself. This might mean telling her genuinely how beautiful she is or how much you love being close to her. It might mean simply allowing authentic sounds of genuine pleasure to emerge naturally. It might mean whispering how much she means to you during quiet, intimate moments together. Whatever form it takes, authentic vocal expression during intimate moments creates a richer, warmer, and more deeply connected experience for both of you. It turns a silent physical experience into a genuinely shared emotional and physical journey. Law number 6. Keep the passion alive through variety and surprise. The sixth law addresses one of the biggest challenges in long-term relationships, which is maintaining genuine desire and passion over time. Most relationships start with intense passion that gradually fades into comfortable routine. But this fading is not inevitable if you understand and apply this law. According to psychology research on desire and the human brain, We are wired to respond most powerfully to things that surprise us or that we cannot completely predict. When intimate experiences always follow exactly the same pattern, the brain gradually becomes less excited about them because they have become completely familiar and predictable. This is why variety and gentle surprise are so important for keeping passion alive over time in a relationship. Not extreme or uncomfortable changes, but small, thoughtful variations that keep the experience of intimacy feeling fresh, interesting, and genuinely exciting for both partners. This might mean occasionally changing the time or setting of intimate moments to create a sense of novelty and adventure. It might mean approaching your partner with a different energy or expressing your desire in an unexpected way. It might mean planning a genuinely surprising romantic experience that breaks the comfortable routine you have both fallen into. The key is that these variations should always feel loving and safe, rather than jarring or uncomfortable. You are not trying to shock or unsettle your partner. You are simply keeping the beautiful element of pleasant surprise alive in your relationship so that desire and anticipation remain genuine and strong rather than becoming predictable and routine. When you consistently apply this law, you become one of the rare men whose partner's desire for him actually grows stronger over time, rather than gradually diminishing as the relationship becomes more familiar. Law number 7, the moments after intimacy matter just as much. The 7th and final law might be the most overlooked of all, and understanding it can completely transform the depth and permanence of your intimate bond with your partner. Most men think that once the physical aspect of intimacy is over, that is the end of the important part. They disconnect, become distracted, or fall asleep without understanding that the moments immediately following intimate experiences represent one of the most powerful opportunities for deepening emotional bond and creating lasting attachment. After intimate experiences, the brain releases large amounts of oxytocin, which is the hormone most associated with bonding, love, and emotional attachment. Both partners are in an incredibly open and vulnerable emotional state during this time. The nervous system is relaxed and completely receptive to emotional connection. This means that how you behave during the period after intimacy directly shapes how deeply and permanently she bonds with you. When you remain present, loving, and emotionally engaged during this time, it creates an incredibly deep emotional imprint that associates your intimate connection with genuine love, security, and emotional warmth. This might mean staying physically close and holding her gently. It might mean having a quiet, genuine conversation about how much she means to you. It might mean simply being completely present and emotionally available rather than immediately becoming distracted or disconnected. When you consistently honor this law, the intimate experiences you share together become associated in her heart and mind with deep emotional safety, genuine love, and authentic connection. She does not just enjoy being physically close to you. She feels deeply emotionally bonded to you in a way that creates lasting devotion and genuine desire that grows stronger over time. Understanding and living by these 7 simple but profound laws completely transforms your approach to love and physical connection. Instead of focusing on technique or performance, you start focusing on creating genuine emotional safety, authentic connection, and real presence that allows both of you to experience intimacy at its most beautiful and satisfying level. The truth about love and physical connection is actually very simple when you strip away all the complicated advice and unnecessary pressure. When a woman feels completely safe with you, completely desired by you, and completely free to be herself around you, the physical connection between you becomes something genuinely extraordinary. You stop being a man who tries to create good intimate experiences and start being a man who naturally creates the emotional conditions for genuinely beautiful connection that she treasures deeply and desires consistently. That is the difference between ordinary relationships and truly extraordinary ones. And it starts with understanding and consistently honoring these 7 simple laws of love and intimacy.